We have a brother from Bangladesh. He says, is there any particular supplication, righteous deeds that should be done in Ramadan?
Yes, there are many things. Reciting Quran that a person should do. As in like supplication specifically, or is it righteous deeds as well?
He's asking about righteous deeds as well as supplications.
Okay, so the person, the ad'iyah that come from the du'as that come in the Quran, those are the best ones to do. The ones that are in the Quran are the best ones because they're from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Any du'a that you find in the Quran is the best. Also, the righteous deeds, recited Quran, also generosity and giving charity this month is also highly recommended. Also, umrah in this month is also good. It's a righteous deeds to do. Also, 𝗏𝗵𝗵𝗂𝗏، calling to the good and prohibiting the evil. Also, silatul arham, keeping the ties of kinship, and etc. Many things that a person can do in this month. All acts of deeds are something you should try to practice in this month now.